Hello students, today we are going to learn about the formulas and functions in spreadsheet. A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. It can be a group of 2 cells or as big as entire worksheet. You can specify a range by writing the starting cell address followed by the ending cell address, both separated by a colon. For example, C1 is to C10. Indicates a range starting from cell C1 and ending with C10. Selecting a range. Click on the first cell in the range and while holding down the left mouse button, drag it to the last cell or click on the first cell and hold down the shift key while you press the arrow keys to extend the selection. Or select the first cell in the range and then press F8 to extend the selection by using the arrow keys. To stop extending the selection, press F8 again. Using Arrange in Formula. Type the data as shown in the figure. Click on the cell B8 and type the formula equal to sum B2 is to B7. Press the Enter key. The total will be displayed in the cell B8. Naming a range. Till now you have seen that whenever you want to refer to a range of cells, you make use of cell reference like B2 is to B7. Excel provides us with another option of referring a range of cells, and that is giving a suitable and meaningful name to the cell range. To define a name for a range, select the range of cells that you want to name. Let us say B2 is to B7. On the Formulas tab, in the Define Names group, click on Define Name. The New Name dialog box appears. In the Name field, enter the name that you want to specify for the range, say units_sold. In the Scope box, specify the availability of the range name by choosing Workbook if you want this to be known to all the sheets in the workbook. If you want to limit the scope of the name to a particular worksheet only, then select the name of that worksheet. Write some text in the comment section if you want to attach some comment with this name. In the Refers to field, make sure that the required range is specified. Click on OK button. The defined name is now ready to be used in the formulas. Using a named range. Let us use the above created name, units sold, in calculating the value for total sale. Click on the cell B8 and type the formula equal to sum bracket in. Now click on the drop-down arrow of the Use in the Formula option in the Define Names group on the Formulas tab and select the name units_sold from the displayed list. The name gets pasted in the formula. Now type the closing bracket to complete the formula definition. The formula would look like equal to sum units_sold. Press Enter key to get the result in the cell. Let me give you a tip. Range names are not case sensitive. The first character must be a letter, an underscore or a backslash. The range name must not be the same as a cell address.